Hello, I'm Dr. Joe, and I'm a scientist. I investigate viruses. And to prove it, here's a picture of me looking moody in a white lab coat. I'm going to be talking to you today about viruses, how they make us ill, how they spread between people, and how we can stop them. A virus is a type of germ that is 1,000,000 times smaller than we are. This means we cannot see them. Viruses are invisible. But if a virus gets inside your body, it can make you ill. This is because viruses use our bodies to make copies of themselves. If a single virus gets inside your body, it will copy itself until there are millions of viruses. This causes damage, and that is what makes you feel ill. Also, these copied viruses can spread to another person and make them ill too. You would have heard a lot from your parents and at school and on the news about coronavirus. Coronavirus is a completely new sort of virus. It copies itself in our throats and maybe in our lungs. This can make you feel ill, give you a temperature, and maybe a cough. Now, let's think about some of the things that viruses might have to help them spread between people. Do you think that viruses have eyes, ears, or noses? The answer is no. Viruses don't have any of these. This means that a virus cannot see you, hear you, or smell you out. What about legs, wings, or tentacles? A virus doesn't have any of these either. This means that a virus can't crawl across the room to come and get you. The only way that you can catch a virus like coronavirus is by close contact with someone who has the virus, or by touching something that has a virus on it and then touching your face. So let's see what a virus really looks like. This is a picture taken using a very powerful microscope called an electron microscope. It shows 4 coronaviruses. The purple bit in the middle of the viruses is what allows them to copy themselves when they're in your body. The yellow bit around the outside is what us scientists call a membrane. And the important thing to remember about a membrane is that it is dissolved by soap. So we can kill coronavirus simply by washing our hands. There are a few reasons why you shouldn't worry too much about viruses. First is that your body has an amazing automatic defense system called the immune system. This is a picture taken using a microscope of human blood. These pink blobs all around here are red blood cells. These purple things here are immune cells. And immune cells go all around your body looking for germs like viruses and fighting them. This means that even if you do get coronavirus, your immune system will fight it and get rid of it for you without you even having to think about it. Also, children's immune systems are excellent at fighting the coronavirus. Also, there are people all across the country and across the world fighting coronavirus. There are nurses and doctors in hospitals waiting to treat people who are ill with coronavirus. And there are scientists making new medicines and vaccines that will stop us from being infected. So these people really are heroes and deserve a round of applause. few things that we can all do to help fight coronavirus. First, wash your hands. Remember, soap dissolves the membrane around coronavirus. This kills the virus. You should wash your hands for around 20 seconds. Good times to wash your hands are when you come in from being outside, before you eat, and after you've been to the toilet. Also, when you're outside, try to keep your distance from other people. Remember I said that coronavirus can spread through close contact between people. So if you're far apart, the virus cannot spread. Importantly, if you need to cough or sneeze, remember to catch it either in a tissue or in your elbow. And a good way to remember this is to do the dab, a bit like this. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, you can ask your parents to email me at this address and I'll try to answer. You may also want to do a virus-themed project. Maybe draw what you think a virus looks like, or make a poster explaining why it's so important to wash your hands. Thank you and goodbye.